In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenAI Sora 2 application wherein you can download and create video. I have in here this article that can help us. So as you can see right here, you can actually go to any Chrome or modern browser on your phone and then go and visit the OpenAI slash Sora and then sign in into your OpenAI account. You need to enter an Sora 2 invite code. So currently right now, Sora 2 is only available for invite and for Android users, access is currently limited to the web browser. If you have an iOS instead, you can just download it on the App Store and just input right there your invite code as well. If you do not have this invite code, you won't be able to access Sora 2 for this part. So from in there, you can use it right here. If you want to use it without an invite, you can go over to GLB create an account, and search for Sora 2 in order to actually use that. Here's what it would look like. Although it's quite similar, it actually uses different APIs, so do take note of that as well. Now, we have in here the best browser settings for smooth performance and tips for generating better AI videos on mobile. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.